Hello. So can we continue with the problems? So this is our first problem. Find the value of tan inverse tan 5 pi over 6 plus cos inverse cos 13 pi over 6. Okay. So first step is, so I have listed the properties that comes here. Okay. So while solving more problems, it will be more easier for you. So first of all, we have to, it is given as 5 pi by 6 and 13 pi by 6. Okay. So better first we have to make that in form of pi. Okay. So if we get the pi as a separated term, it will be easy for us to solve. Okay, because all the properties are coming with pi. Okay. So 5 pi by 6 we can write as pi minus pi by 6, right? Because pi minus pi by 6 is what? If we do the cross multiplication, put 1, 6 times pi is 6 pi minus 1 times pi is pi divided by 6, that is 5 pi by 6. 6 pi minus pi is 5 pi. Clear? So that is this one. Okay, similarly this one, pi over 1 plus 7 pi over 6, 6 pi plus 7 pi divided by 6, what it is? 13 pi over 6. Clear? Clear? Okay, so we'll continue. So we got till this. Okay, next we are just simplifying this part. Okay, so see here, tan inverse, so tan pi minus pi by 6, so tan right? Pi minus tan pi over 6. Okay, so tan pi is 0, this part is 0, so we'll get tan pi by 6 here. Okay, so can I just rub this? So I can write minus tan pi by 6. Clear, right? Next, plus. What is cos pi plus 7 pi by 6? We have a property, cos pi plus theta equals minus cos theta. Okay, so that, so this property when we apply here, it will be cos inverse minus cos theta. So pi plus theta value is this. Okay, so 7 pi by 6. Clear? Okay, now next thing is, so tan inverse minus tan pi by 6, so we can take this minus outside. So tan inverse of tan pi by 6 plus, what is cos inverse of minus x? See, tan inverse of minus x is if we consider this whole term as x. Okay, then tan inverse of minus x is minus tan inverse x, that is minus tan inverse tan pi by 6. Same way, cos inverse of minus cos 7 pi by 6 will be pi minus cos inverse x, that is pi minus cos inverse of x is cos 7 pi by 6. Clear? Next, we can see here it is pi by 6, right? So we can't do any more splitting over here, but here this is 7 pi by 6. So if we split it up and if we get a common term as pi by 6, it will be bit more easy. Okay, so just see, can we split this one? So how we can split that? Like we should get pi by 6 as a different term. Okay, so suppose it is pi plus pi by 6. Okay, so if we do cross multiplication, 6 times pi plus pi divided by 6, it will be 7 pi by 6, right? So I can replace this with pi plus pi by 6, right? Okay, so this will be the same, tan inverse tan pi by 6 plus pi minus cos inverse cos pi plus pi by 6. Okay, so again we can apply this property here. So it will be minus tan inverse tan pi by 6 plus pi minus cos inverse pi plus theta. Theta is pi by 6. So answer will be minus cos pi by 6. Okay, again if we look here, cos inverse of theta minus x. Cos inverse of minus x is pi minus cos inverse of x. So minus tan inverse tan pi by 6 plus pi minus, so we are taking this part. Okay, so maintain a bracket there. So cos inverse of minus x will be pi minus cos inverse x. Okay, so this is our x, right? So cos inverse x. Okay, so next step, we have to take this negative to inside. So when we remove this bracket, what will happen? So this will be tan inverse of tan x. Tan inverse of tan x is x. Okay, since there is a minus sign, put the minus. Tan inverse of tan x is minus pi by 6 plus we have a pi. Okay, and when we apply this minus inside, minus and pi will be minus pi, again minus and minus will be plus. So when we remove the bracket, as I already told, please keep that in mind. Whenever there is a negative sign outside the bracket, you have to be very careful. When it comes inside, see, all the sign will changes. So it was plus, so it will turn as minus. It is minus, and whenever we take this negative inside, it will be plus. So what is cos inverse cos x? Cos inverse cos x is x. Okay, so we can write pi by 6. So here plus pi minus pi will get cancelled, minus pi by 6 plus pi by 6 will get cancelled. So the answer will be 0. So the value of this whole trigonometric function is 0. Okay.